If you're looking to fulfill orders more quickly and more accurately, and you need real-time visibility into your warehouse operations, a warehouse management system, or WMS, is critical. A WMS is a software solution that brings efficiency and visibility to the day-to-day operations within a warehouse. It acts as a central control, so warehouse managers can track the transfer and storage of inventory. Wireless mobile devices and barcoding help automate processes, such as shipping, receiving, picking, and packing, to provide a real-time picture of inventory and ensure accuracy throughout the supply chain. With a WMS, businesses can operate their warehouses more efficiently, minimize handling costs, and improve customer service by ensuring that orders are received and processed on time, and that the right products are delivered to customers when and where they need them.